What we have is a 2005 GMC Envoy. I have a misfire going on. The way I found it was I could feel it, obviously. A little rumble going on. I used this ZR4 Zurich that I got at Harbor Freight years ago. It's a good little diagnostics tool, but it was giving me random misfire. It gave me a whole bunch of stored ones that I had in there too from other work that was done on it, which I never cleared. But it was giving me a P0300, which was a random or multiple misfires. So the way you check it was, once you took off the air box, you go in and you let it run, and it's going to be missing, and you pull off each cylinder coil, and if it doesn't make a difference, that is your cylinder that is missing. And sure enough, it was the last cylinder way in the back, and it had a strip screw. What I did is I swapped it and moved 6 to 5, did the test again, and 5 was not firing. So that's what I'm going to replace. This is a new one, a Blue Streak years ago. Used to make great coil wires for GTOs and high performance stuff. So here we go. I'm going to replace that with a Blue Streak. That's the boot, sits in there, gets bolted on, bango, and that's the wire harness right there. But this tool saved the day. P0300, multiple misfire, fixing it up now.